What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're here in the cool hills of Lucky Hill in St. Mary, Jamaica. All right, and we're here to view this property. It's a house and a nice lot with a lot of fruit trees. We have ackee, we have breadfruit, we have a lot of plants around. We have what, lemon. What else we have? Guys, we have a whole heap of good vegetation around the place. And we're going to go inside to show you what stands out the most in this property. It's unfinished. It has a lot of potential if you're looking to retire in Jamaica, or if you're looking for a nice place to just come chill out after the hustle and the bustle of working for many years. This is the place for you. All right, you have a nice big room, you have a nice big bathroom, you have a nice big closet. You have the potential to add more rooms, more closets. You have a nice car porch. But hear what, instead of telling you, I'm just going to show you guys what's happening on the inside. And this property is only being sold for just $18 million. You can hear the breeze? I know you can't feel it, but I want to hear the plants. You can see it. It is very cool, very nice. You get view of the mountain from your veranda. But guys, hear what? Link or realtor Noella Brown. Our information is down below. It's also in the description. All the information that you need, you can find it in this video. Don't be afraid to reach out to her with your questions. If you want to view this property firsthand, speak to her and she'll definitely make the time for you to come and view. So we're going to go right inside of this property right now, and you guys can tell me what you think. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're about to enter into the house. This is how your walkway looks at the moment. This property requires somebody that's very creative, because this property has a lot of potential. So we enter here on your veranda. Over to the right, you'll have a nice sitting area that we'll get to in a bit. So it's a very beautiful open concept. As you can see, it is very huge. This is your living room. It flows into your dining area and right into your kitchen. I know you guys are seeing the furnitures in this house. The unit is being sold as is, meaning everything that you see on the inside here, you purchase the house with all inside. So you have a very spacious living area ready for you to put your personal touch to it. And we will just walk right up into the dining area, where you can see it's also a very lovely space. You can easily put a 10-seater in this space right here and still have a lot of room left. So it's just waiting for your personal touch, and this house can be your forever home. All right, so let me just turn so you can see the living room from this angle. And as you can see, it also brings in a lot of natural light, and it is still cool on the inside. So guys, here we will walk into the kitchen area. You will see your sink right there. You will have a nice big window. And like I say, this house is a fixer-upper. You can come in, put your personal touch to this unit, change what you want to change, the layout, the flow, the function, and this will be a very beautiful property. And to the right, we have what is currently being used as a breakfast nook. This space can be easily converted into a butler's pantry. So you can store all your pots and your utensils, your blender, your toaster, store your food. If you want to include a little sink somewhere inside here, that can also be done. All right, so remember I told you, this house is full of potential. And since I'm here, why not just walk into the washroom area just on the other side of the kitchen, where you can see we have this big washroom area. Like I said, everything is being sold with the unit. So you have a washer, you have your dryer, and everything is piped, ready to go. A nice big window looking on the outside. See, we have a few coconut trees out there. You have your water tank, and you can just fix up this backyard space and let it be to your comfort, all right? So there's something that I really want to show you guys in this unit, and we're just going to go right ahead to show you the master bedroom. All right, so we enter this room. As you can see, the space is very nice. It's a very large room. If you wish, and I'm sure you will, change out your furniture, get a nice bedded, get your night tables to match, and you can just lay this room out just how you want it. There are two nice size windows in this space. It lets in a lot of natural light, as well as the room is very cool because there are a lot of breeze blowing in this room. So there you go, guys. This is your master bedroom. And just to the side there, I know you see some clothes hung up over there. Let me see if I can go in somewhere. You see some clothes? So we're going to walk right into the walk-in closet. And somebody tell me that this is not a true walk-in closet. This could easily be another bedroom. All right. So you can come in, whether you want to use rods or you want to do this like one of those closets that you will see like on a HGTV with your built-ins and stuff. This is a very nice closet. And guys, I'm in the ensuite at the moment. So I'm about to turn and I'm about to show you guys the potential that this house has. All right. So we have your shower over this area that can be easily converted into a glass enclosed shower. You can change your fixtures and your fitting. We have one vanity right there. We have another over there. You guys can decide how you want to decorate them, whether you want to change them out or to keep them as is. You have your beautiful jacuzzi for your relaxation. And as you can see, this bathroom is very big. All right, so you can come in, get your soak, get your wine, a nice window to bring in some light, light your candles and put over to the side and make this house and this ensuite a very beautiful space. And of course, we can't leave out your toilet right there. So guys, this is a very beautiful space, ready to be made into your relaxation unit, as well as if you're looking to retire in the cool hills of St. Mary, this is what you are looking for. All right, guys, so we are back into the main space, the space which I personally think I love the most. But we're going to go over into the unfinished section of this house so you guys can see what it is that you can get with this unit. All right, so let's head right over there right now. Remember, guys, don't hesitate to link our realtor. She's waiting on your call. She's waiting to make the appointment for you. and she's waiting for you to make your offer. All right, so her information is on screen as well as it is down below in the description. So let's go over to the unfinished side of this building, and then you can see what else you can achieve when you make your purchase for this unit. All right. All right, so heading back out onto the veranda, we have this very huge, and I say huge, sitting area ready to be completed. If you have your family over, if you want to have a nice games evening, if you want to chill out, anything that you want to do in this space, you have the space to do it. And right alongside here, you also have the area for your powder room, which would be right here. Have your windows, as well as you have your little carport right here. All right. So you don't have to park your vehicle on the outside. You can bring it on the inside and enter into your sitting area. This section right here, which is being used currently for storage. So you have a nice storage area just right off your carport where you can fix that and make it into what you want it to be. So we're going to enter into this section, and as you can see, the rooms are also very big. Very nice space in every room that we go. And I'll just give you guys a walk through. You can look at the layout and you can decide exactly how you would want to make this space. All right. So let me just give you some more light. This can be converted into what you would call a little office. You could also make this a closet. But like I say, when you come in, you put in your personal touch and you make it into what you want it to be. As you can see, we have your piping in this section for your shower, your toilet, your face base. But guys, there are so many things that can be done to this unit. Once you come, have a creative mind, have a very open mind, and you guys will have a wonderful time in this space. And I just want to pause to show you guys the pepper on the tree on the outside. Like I say, it's a lot of fruit trees. And you know what? Let me just go right outside to show you guys what's happening. Come on. All right, so from the outside, that's your sitting area attached to your veranda. And this is where you will enter for your parking. All right. Once this place is cleaned up, in this section here, you'll have a little island. So it gives you a circular driveway. As you can see, your edging, they're very beautiful. Over here, we have our breadfruit tree. And as you can see, it's loaded. So if you want to come back home, or if you just want to move to the hills of St. Mary, this is what you can get. So you wake up in the morning, you have your ackee, and you have your roast breadfruit, your boiled breadfruit, your fried breadfruit, whatever it is that you want. I've showed you guys the coconut tree. I show you guys the pepper. Guys, the place is cool. It's nice. And as you can see, from different areas, you'll be able to get a beautiful view of the mountain. But guys, overall, this property is ready to go. It can be an investment property depending on how you choose to finish it, as well as this can also be your retirement home. It can be your dream home. So don't hesitate to make contact with our realtor. All questions are welcome. If you're ready to make an offer for this property, she's ready and waiting on your call. If you want to come in and view this property personally, you can also do so. Maybe then you'll get a better idea of how you can lay things out, as well as the changes that you can make to this property. All right, it's very beautiful, as you can see. I would live here, but it's just not where I want to live. Understand? So it's waiting on you to come and to make your mark, to make your change, and to make it yours. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for making it ChriSamz for your property tour, your property updates. And remember, the journey continues with a drone shot, and we'll catch you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.